Hey traders, welcome back. So today I just want to go over losing day. It was about $650 in the red. Um, Took three trades, and I'm going to show you how the AI trading coach is going to handle, um, my inputs for today and what it's going to suggest. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how to get access to the AI trading coach. It's going to be 100% free. Um, yeah, so just a quick recap. It's going to be a long trade here. Thinking I'd get a reversal kind of targeting New York Open. I don't need comments about my strategy in the comment section. You know, we'll see over time how it does. Yesterday was a pretty good day. I had a little FOMO coming into this because I really wanted to short here, and because it was so aggressive down, I was thinking we'd get a reversal. We kind of did a short-lived one, and I got shook out. I moved my stop to break even, which really doesn't follow my rules of set it and forget it. However, had I just set it and forget it, I would have been stopped out with no opportunity to re-enter. So I watched the charts. So I kind of broke the suggestion the AI gave me yesterday. And then I kind of FOMO'd into taking three contracts here with a very tight stop. And then I got stopped out for a small loss. And then for some reason I entered long again because I thought it was going to go up. Oh no, I actually entered short because this match. So I have two strategies and they were conflicting each other a little bit. And this was a helpful day because it helped me, I think, refine this even more. But I actually went short here with the stop right here. And actually, something I haven't done in a very long time was manually exit without it hitting my stop. And it came, what was the high here? 90.75, and my stop was 91.75. So 1.4 ticks away, and I bailed. And it actually hit my extended target, but I try to do 1 to 3 risk to reward on these setups, and it's like a continuation of a big move. So really should have just been patient for that. So really royally messed up today, and I'll show you what that looks like here on the dashboard. So yesterday was a pretty good day. Today, not so good, but not too bad. Considering I took three trades, I just really sized down because I want to finish this week green. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. But this is times 5 accounts, right? So in the Cipher trading journal we'll get to now, I haven't talked to the chatbot yet. So I will do that and then we'll fast forward through it. But I just want to show you the dashboard really quick. So yesterday was a pretty good day because it's 5 accounts. And today it was about $650 loss. And so if I look at that detail, I had all three of these were one strategy. Actually, this is wrong. This was Kiss of Death. So I can update that, which is cool. And then if I go back, I can just show Kiss of Death. I could just show this one. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part where I enter, and we'll see what the AI says. Okay, so um, I just talked about the FOMO in the opening session. I talked about my first trade, thinking it was a reversal. Thinking about my second trade, it was a FOMO that I got stopped out break even, so I re-entered and I didn't want to miss the move higher. And then my third trade was a realization that it was my other strategy, which is the opposite direction. And I got in and I did something I haven't done in a long time, which was just exit manually rather than let it stop me out, right? And so I'll read it with you. The observation it said, I let my FOMO drive impulsive entries with oversized positions 3 times normal. and a non-rule compliant tight stop on the second trade. Then prematurely exited a valid KOD, kiss of death, short due to fear, despite it hitting your target shortly after. So kind of observation, it reiterates to you what you told it, so you kind of know it understands what you said, and that was perfect description. And so this is my instructions. You can customize instructions, and when I do publish this app for free for everyone, you're going to be able to customize this however you want. And I'll show you how in like a how-to tutorial video, which I'll probably put within the app itself. Okay, so analysis. FOMO overrode my process, leading to rule violations on position sizing and stops, which amplified losses and exceeded my 1% max risk per trade. The manual exit in the third trade shows fear hijacking discipline, turning a potential win into a loss and eroding confidence. These emotional reactions create inconsistent results, undermining long-term profitability by prioritizing short-term impulses over your defined strategy. So my action step: before any entry, pause for 30 seconds to confirm it aligns with high time frame bias and my 1% risk rule. Write down if needed. Also commit to closing screens after 2 losses, as we discussed, which I did. So the encouragement it's given me is recognize my psychology was off and wanting to walk away is a win, because I did do that. And especially in September, I would really try to make every day a winning day and push it. But today I was like, that's it, So I want to build upon that self-awareness and reclaim control, one disciplined trade at a time. So today was a really good learning day. I'm going to take it as a win as far as like learning, but a loss otherwise. So with that being said, there is going to be a link in the description, and it's going to take you to a landing page. And that landing page is going to be called Shadow Trading Journal, but it's not really, that's why I originally wanted to call this thing, but it's going to be a wait list, and you just click on that, and then you'll be able to hop on the wait list and get this for free whenever it launches. And it will require no account setup, so it knows all your settings and your trades, because it's going to download that data locally to your computer. You will be able to import and export that data. So if you move computers or if you go on your phone, you'll be able to match the data and back it up. So none of that's kept in the cloud. The application just lives basically on your computer, and it's 100% free. And then you can use any AI model that you want. That'll be in the AI settings, and I'll go over that in the how-to videos and everything. So again, click the link in the description to sign up for the free the sign up, the free waitlist. And then I also have another link in the description if you want to support the channel. It's for Apex Trader Funding. I think they got an 80% off sale right now. If they don't, they usually have a sale. If you click on that link and get a valuation count, that really helps the channel. And like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And I'll keep on trying to bring the transparency here, showing all my trades, and these are funded accounts. So thank you, and have a great day. Good luck trading.